simmer, you know. I'm gonna add all of this to the pot. Welcome back to another video, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, at it again with another video. This is Farming with Rasta. And today, viewers, I'm there in the kitchen and make some brown stewed fish with some rice and peas, because I don't know, a Sunday time, right? Yeah, man. So right about now, I just fry some fish. I get the fish them fry and thing, as you can see in the pot. Yeah, man. And the rice and peas over here, so I go and, you know, get some boil and thing. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. I have my fresh season them chop up already and cut up and dice up. Yeah. So I'm just finish fry the fish them, viewers and subscribers. You see, the one I burn up those viewers and subscribers. So what I do, I just cut him one side. You can go and fry it through properly. Yeah, man, right here, so I have one little piece of pumpkin and I go drop in the pot with my vegetable and so forth. Yeah, viewers. Fast forward to the next step. Well, I already put my fresh vegetable them in the pot and fresh season. Make them go and simmer down. You don't know, put some ketchup in it. Make the ketchup give it little flavor and little color. You don't know, a brown stew fish. Yeah, right over here, so I have my rice and peas come to a boil. As you can see, looking very delicious already, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, steam and fly out the pot. So it for look. So this is the good old rice and peas we eat on Sunday time at Jamaica, traditional style and a food culture. This rice and peas, viewers and subscribers. So it look nice in the pot. Alright, yeah, man, that ready for eat now, viewers and subscribers. So I just give a couple more minutes, make him steam through properly. So in the meantime, go and get the fish ready and thing. Yeah, man. So what I gotta do now, I put the fish them in the pot, make them go and cook down. Yeah, put the fry fish them in the pot, make them go and cook down, viewers and subscribers, because you don't know a brown stew fish. Yeah, man. So I gotta unload every single fish when I fry, put them in the pot, pack them in the pot. Yeah, man, make them go and cook through. See me? Yeah, man, that I pray. So in the meantime, I go fry up some ripe plantain to put on the side. Because you don't know, a big thing, you know, big dinner on Sunday. You see it, Sunday daytime, a traditional something. So go and fry up some ripe plantain. Your viewers and subscribers, some nice sweet ripe plantain, very delicious. These are very delicious, viewers and subscribers. I love ripe plantain. Yeah, man. Alright, it's them right here. So I have ripe and green plantain, but I mostly use most of the ripe plantain to fry, you know, put on the side. Right, viewers and subscribers. So just turn them a while ago. So as you can see, them get a brown color. And change to brown, right? So that is it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, so it look good in the pot. Alright, so I go take out these because them ready already. Them on the fire heater move fast, viewers and subscribers. So take those out and get them, put them on a paper towel for the oil to drain out of them. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so them look delicious. These are very sweet and delicious and nice, viewers and subscribers. Going back to check on my rice and peas. Yeah, so that's ready now to eat. Ready to eat and ready to share. Also the fish is ready too. Yeah, man, brown stew fish, this, viewers and subscribers, with my rice and peas ready now. So fast forward to that, I will get my vegetable ready. As you can see, already slice and dice up. Yeah, man, well cut up and slice up and dice up already, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, man, a sharing time now, no, viewers and subscribers. Big fish in a plate and rice and peas. Yeah, man, this is it now, viewers and subscribers. So it look delicious. Yeah, man, I might plate this. for my plate, this viewers and subscribers. Big food on the Sunday. So right here, so we have the right plant them, but drop a couple of them on the side, viewers and subscribers, and fix it up good and nice, right? Yeah, man. So this is the Jamaican brown stew fish and rice and peas, right on the Sunday, viewers and subscribers. Here it is. Yeah, man. I'm fixing more than one plate. So you know, because I have family too. So just drop in some ripe plantains on the side, you know, fix up the plate. Yeah, so it look very nice. Steam a fly out tight, viewers and subscribers. Ripe plantain on the side. My dish right over here, you don't know, big dish, right? Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is it. Yeah, man. This is the finished product. And see how it look nice and delicious, viewers and subscribers. So what I gotta do now, I gotta just dig in at this now, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, viewers, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. Keep on supporting the channel. Remember for like, comment. Yeah, man, and of course, you don't know, you have to subscribe to my viewers and subscribers. Well, all those who subscribe already can just click on the notification bell, and those who haven't subscribed as yet can subscribe now and click on the notification bell, because I write so the goodness there, right?